Imagine this, your next smartphone doesn't have a screen. Not foldable, not rollable. No screen. At all. Sounds insane, right? But, we might actually be heading there. Hey everyone, welcome back to Lux Tech. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because today, we're diving into the mind-blowing future of smartphones. Let's be real, screens are everywhere. They're big, bright, and beautiful, but also exhausting. From screen fatigue to digital addiction, the smartphone screen, our daily companion, is becoming a double-edged sword. So here's the big question, what comes after the screen? Is the future of smartphones screenless? We've already seen foldable phones, rollable displays. Even Apple's Vision Pro is trying to reimagine how we interact with devices. But all of that is just the beginning. What if the next smartphone isn't a phone at all, but a pair of smart glasses, or a wearable AI assistant that talks to you and projects visuals onto your palm? Devices like the Humane AI Pin and Meta's smart glasses are already ditching screens entirely. They respond to voice. They project data. They blend into your clothes. The idea? To give you all the power of a smartphone, without having to stare at one. It's not science fiction anymore. It's here, it's clunky, but it's evolving fast. The pros? More freedom. Less screen time. A hands-free, eyes-up world where your tech just works around you. But there are downsides too, battery limitations, privacy risks, data dependency, and yeah, not everyone's ready to wear glasses 24/7. Still, the direction is clear, the screen is no longer the center of the experience. So, are we saying goodbye to screens? Not today. Not tomorrow. But maybe sooner than we think. In the next 5 to 10 years, we could see a massive shift, from handheld devices to invisible interfaces powered by AI, voice, and spatial computing. And when it happens, remember this video, because we just time traveled into the future. What do you think? Would you ditch your screen for an AI pin or smart glasses? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We've got more tech from the future coming soon. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious, stay futuristic.